Hey guys, are you getting the error "A Java exception has occurred" in Minecraft server, tlauncher, Burp Suite, Eclipse, curseforge, or any other program? Don't worry, you're in the right place. This method works 100%, so make sure to watch till the end and follow step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google, type java.com and hit enter. Now open the official Java website. Click right here. Then go to Java Downloads. Scroll down and select your operating system. Since I'm on Windows, I'll choose that. Now click the x64 installer link and your download will begin. Once the download is finished, head over to the folder and double-click the installer. Complete the installation. It only takes a minute. Now let's open the application that was giving the error. In my case, it's the Minecraft server. And boom, problem solved. No more error. If this video helped you, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment if it worked for you.